Hi there, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you the project I made for stickers, hashtag Sticker Saturday. This is hosted by Rose, who is at Crafting Rose here on YouTube. And if you decide to join along, it's an open collab. You can post anytime during the day on Saturday. You can make any kind of project. It just should include using some of your sticker stash. And then in the title include the hashtag, and either include at Crafting Rose in the title as well, or at least in the description box. So write that down so you can remember. I will be leaving a link, her link, in the description box as well, so you can check out Rose's channel and see her playlist for Sticker Saturday thus far. So for my project, I pulled out these border stickers. I believe I got these, I want to say Hobby Lobby. Let's see if it says, yep, Hobby Lobby 2015. Yeah, so I know I've had several packages of these that I've used in the past, and this is what I have left. I may go ahead and cut each of these two longer ones in half and make 5 more of my project. We'll just see what I need when it comes time for the holidays. But I made a long and skinny box, and this box supposedly holds 5 Dove chocolates, which I don't have any of. I have a lot of Halloween candy, but no Dove chocolates. This box idea came from Kitchen Table Stamper. I think that's the name of the channel, and I will leave a link to the tutorial for this box as well down below in the description box. I made for a different collab a while ago a Halloween version. I think it was for a collab using punches, and so I made this one using different punches from my stash. And now I decided to make some for Christmas. So besides the border sticker that I used, I also used a package of little chipboard sentiments, and I used up all the Christmas ones. It wasn't a full package when I started. I pulled it out of my sticker drawer. But now I have left all of these ones that say Let It Snow, so I'm going to put these into my winter embellishment drawer. But this one says Rejoice. I didn't want to put anything on the top because I didn't want to cover up the pretty border sticker, but I thought the box needed something else, so I put a sticker on the side. Then I have this one, and this one on the side says Peace. And then I have a third one with the ornaments, and this one on the side says Noel. So that is my project for this week's Sticker Saturday. I'd like to thank you for joining me, and now I'm off to create.